This is a documentary of the Malawian environmental policy and ethics and how it can be employed to promote the biodiversity of DMI-MANGOCHI campus. Malawi is endowed with a diversified natural resource base, with some of the most fertile soils for agricultural use, closed forests that cover 30% of the land area, abundant water resources, and a remarkably diverse flora and fauna, of which the uniquely rich and diverse fish resources stand out. To the right are examples of these illustrations, whereby we have an example of part of a forest that is found in Malawi, a water body which is part of Lake Malawi, fertile soil that is also found in Malawi, and flora and fauna that is in Malawi. It has a tropical climate characterized by variable temperature, rainfall, and relative humidity, which impact on various sectors in various ways. The resources are subject to increasing pressure. There is alarming degradation of the environment causing significant loss of soil fertility, soil erosion, serious deforestation, water depletion, pollution, and loss of biodiversity. To the right are also examples of these illustrations, whereby we have biodiversity loss, which is caused by habitat loss, invasive species, overexploitation, climate change associated from global warming, and pollution. And there is soil erosion, water depletion, water pollution, deforestation, and loss of soil fertility. These problems are exacerbated by the high population growth and low level of environmental awareness, which contribute considerably to the vicious cycle of poverty and are compounded by the HIV and AIDS pandemic. The challenges provide the catalyst for a government to develop a National Environmental Action Plan, NEAP or NEAP, launched on December 6 in 1994, upon which the National Environmental Policy is based. To the right is an illustration of how the policy looks like. The main concept in the nation's environmental policy is that it describes the existing environmental conditions in Malawi and recommends a set of actions that should be taken in order to address the aggravating environmental degradation and facilitate sustainable utilization and management of natural resources. It states the environmental principles as follows: to manage the environment responsibly in order to prevent the degradation of the environment firstly. Secondly, to provide a healthy living and working environment for the people of Malawi. Thirdly, to accord full recognition to the rights of future generations by means of environmental protection, and to conserve and enhance the biological diversity of Malawi. The National Environmental Policy consists of goals, guiding principles, and strategies set for every action plan meant to be implemented. This can also be employed by DMI-MANGOCHI campus and can promote biodiversity of the institution. The institution can employ the overall goal of the policy, which is promotion of sustainable social and economic development through the sound management of the environment and natural resources, which can be done by securing for all persons surrounding the institution, enhancing public education and awareness of various environmental issues, and public participation in addressing them, facilitating the restoration, maintaining, and enhancing the ecosystems and ecological processes essential for the functioning of the biosphere, and prudent use of renewable resources, and promoting the ecosystems management approach so as to ensure that sectoral mandates and responsibilities are fully and effectively channeled towards sustainable environment and natural resource management. The institution can also employ the guiding principles of the policy, which can be: every person surrounding the campus must have the right to a clean and healthy environment and a duty to maintain and enhance the environment. Using renewable natural resources sustainably for the benefit of the present and future generations. Conflict management in the institution, which is essential for sustainable environment and natural resources, and obligating every person to take measures to promote sustainable utilization and management of the environment and natural resources, including taking legal action against any person whose activities or omissions have or are likely to have adverse effects on the environment.